Well, the day has finally come. The Mickey Mouse copyright is in the public domain. But wait, what does this mean? Which Mickey Mouse copyright is in the public domain? As we all know, the Mickey Mouse that originally started back in the day is not the same Mickey Mouse that we all come to love today. It's not the same Mickey Mouse as that you see when you go to Disney World, that you when you go to Disneyland. So we're gonna break all that down. Can you start selling T-shirts with the Mickey Mouse character on it? Can you start making movies with Mickey Mouse? We're actually going to break down a movie that someone has put a trailer out, and we're going to say what that means. Will they get sued by Disney? Are they free to do this without a reprimand? We're going to talk about all that on today's episode. But first, let's get an understanding of which Mickey Mouse copyright is in a public domain. As I said before, Mickey Mouse has transformed over the years, throughout the years. The Mickey Mouse that we all know and love today is not the same Mickey Mouse that Walt Disney originally started with when he started Disney World, and therefore Mickey Mouse has a number of copyrights on the Mickey Mouse character, and not all of them are in a public domain. We're talking about a specific Mickey Mouse character that's in a public domain, and again, we're going to talk about what that means. But first, let me show you which Mickey Mouse character is in a public domain. My mom had a let's see here. So this is Steamboat Willie that we're talking about. Let's see here. And I blanked out the sound on this one, but you see here. Let me see. Let me go back to him. This is Steamboat Willie. My mom had a boyfriend back in the day. His name was Willie. He was a cool guy. He didn't have a steamboat though. But this is I muted the sound so because he was saying some stuff that I don't want you guys to kind of pay attention to. But this is Steamboat really here. This is that's Steamboat Willie. That's the character that in 1928 was in a public domain. And just to kind of break down copyright law a little bit, currently, if you come out with a copyright, you have it's protected for the life of the author. So, for example, if you came out with it, it's the life of you. So, whenever you die, plus 70 years. So, when you die, you and your family still have 70 years to monetize or to still own that copyright. So, it's the life of the author plus 70 years. But then you also have it's calculated in terms of the time of ownership differently for corporations, where you have 95 years from the date it was made public, or you have 120 years from the date it was created, whatever comes sooner. And this Mickey Mouse character, Steamboat Willie, was created or went into public domain back in 1928. So if you figure, and it was Disney, so now it was owned by Disney. So if you take those 95 years from 1928, that's 2023. So the copyright just expired last year, at the end of last year, 2023, and obviously we're in 2024 now. So Mickey Mouse is in a public domain. What does that typically mean? That typically means that the owner of the copyright no longer can claim ownership of that copyright and bring suit and all those things when your IP and when your copyright is protected. Mickey Mouse is different